All we as sheep have gone astray. Every one has gone astray in his way, and the Lord gave him up for our sins. And he, because of his affliction, opened not his mouth. He was led as a sheep to the slaughter, and as a lamb before the shearer is dumb. So he opened not his mouth. In his humiliation, his judgment was taken away. Who shall declare his generation? For his life is taken away from the earth. Because of the iniquities of my people, he was led to death. And I will give the wicked for his burial, and the rich for his death, for he practiced no iniquity.